Look like we beat up Popeyes today, you know? Popeyes over there, so we're not getting no promotion, you know. Yeah guys, first thing in the morning, see it, yeah? Make sure your grill light and go and track up. Yeah. Use the real thing. Right there, so. We only use them charcoal. We don't use no lump. We don't use nothing where they make and put lighter fluid in it. We only use natural. Yeah? Alright. See the charcoal pack already. The first thing the rest of them do, put some cooking oil on the paper. Just some napkin. Yeah, I like the end then. Yeah, we don't use lighter fluid in this thing. Oh, we have to pack them like this, see there? Put that together over there, so. Yeah, so that's how we catch our fire. So we catch our coal. You know, flash that. See there? Blaze it, blaze already, you know. It's a non-time jerk chicken, most ready for go on for it. See that, guys. Yeah, load up that one a little more too, you know. That one they have to smoke out the chicken. See there? Food truck. Yeah, see there. We got to touch out a little more. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you know what they have on the food truck, you know, guys. Yeah, man. See there, curry shrimp. Ready. Cool curry shrimp. Yeah, man. Curry shrimp real ready. Yep. Don't joke. I'm planting over there so they're ready. Have some oxtail there, sir. Don't think I can get a better oxtail than this, you know, I tell you. Go down in there and get some nice one. Yeah, good oxtail. You want beans too? Everything. We have the brown stew over here, so. Brown stew chicken. I want to like this one. Yeah. Curry chicken over here, so. Some light. Chicken. Some other island, you know. Just set up there now. Ready to go. What else I need to show you? Cabbage. Like crisp and clean. You know, well seasoned too. Over here, so you have the grill. Macaroni and cheese. Yeah, people favorite, you know. Yeah, see that? Just set up and thing, you know. Wait for people to come. People are rolling in already. See that? Yes, I. We done over there. We have 2 shrimp here already. First customer call in. Yeah. Sell one of them shrimp there for $16. How much you think we should have sell it for? How much you think it value? You have mac and cheese, you have plantain right there, so. And you have some shrimp, you see it? How much you think? Alright, just let me know. Brown stew and shrimp combination. Yeah. Shrimp, curry shrimp, brown stew, mac and cheese, plantain, and rice. Yeah. Yeah, so this one is a jerk chicken. Why the camera turn upside down? Come on, man. Yeah, so this one is a Jerk chicken over here, so. See there? Brown stew right there, so. Macaroni and cheese. Yeah, man. Hear that? Real crisp. It's a barbecue. Look at that. Real crisp. Barbecue. Slow Thursday we call it, you know. Yeah. Slow Thursday. Alright, here we go. We plate it now. Let's do like that. Of course, I'm gonna get some of the. Yep. Look at that. See that? That's wings on a slow Thursday. Alright. We good, man. I ain't catching you inside there. You afraid of the camera, man? You afraid of the camera? Good curry chicken. No, you good, you good. Curry chicken, cabbage, mac and cheese. Yeah, guys, so we finish up there now. Turn off this, look at it. Finish up there now, see there? Everything empty, nothing now go on in there. That's a that. Cabbage done. Curry chicken done. Brown stew done. Look at it, oxtail. Plantain, scrapings. Wings, maybe that I'll film a little later. See there? Everything done. Shrimp, you know, mac and cheese. Trash can full up. Mac and cheese pan all over the place. We need to organize it now, so yeah, man, it was a good day. See the nut jerk now left in the chest. The nut jerk now left in there. See there? Everything dry out. Yeah, man, let's just check your rice. See that? Look at the rice in there with one scotch bonnet pepper. So, done we done here now, man. We are going home now. Look a bit. See it? So, you want to feel with it right out to the car wash. You have the Wawa across there for the gas station. And look like we beat up Popeyes today, you know. Popeyes over this today. We're not getting no promotion, you know. Yeah. Pizza place. See where they are with that. Yeah, man. So we're there, man. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. You see it? Yeah, man. When I'm a generator, I'll give me a problem, and I don't know what to fit. Buy a new one the other day. That one I put old one that. The one I new one fit. Like the full new. Yeah. Shut off for me, you know. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Come on now.